See, I just got lured today. Got it lured 1.8 inches in the front, and I got 1.9 in the back. Like I had like, and these are 22s, so I actually had like a maybe 3.5 finger gap in the front, and look where it's at now. I could barely, just barely get one finger up in there. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker tighter than the version. But the turn radius is on point. I have full turn radius, you know what I'm saying, which I love because it makes my car look like what it is, a full muscle car. And in the back, I give maybe two, maybe. It was 4 fingers at first. You know what I'm saying? So you got the RT, you see, everything's done right now. You know what I'm saying? So looks way better, man. And the crazy part about it is it's so low to the ground that I feel the power. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel everything now. You know, so just wash it up a little bit. Still, you know, it's about to rain, so I didn't want to like really wash it. You know what I'm saying? So I just kind of did something. Got the splitter. Just put the USMC on the United States Marine Corps. Don't get it twisted. Yeah, but made my own little bracket for it. I'm always doing something different. You'll never see another car like mine. You know what I'm saying? Ever. Out of any cars that I ever done, my BMW that I got, Range Rover, you know what I'm saying? Any of my cars, man, you will never see another light. You know what I'm saying? You might see the same color. Somebody might have took something off my car, or, you know, try to replica and put it on theirs, man. But my cars are always, you know, they always stand out on their own, you know what I'm saying? So got the skull, you know, shift gear, whatever, you know. It's still dirty inside, so I ain't done cleaning, you know what I'm saying, done cleaning it up yet. But I just wanted to give y'all an update. Heading back to the A real soon, so definitely heading back home, man. Definitely heading back home.